Is my voice audible? Good evening. Is the screen is visible? Is the screen is visible? Kindly reply. Okay. I'll wait for a couple of minutes. Ask your friends to join so that we'll start the session. Good evening, everybody. Shall we start the session? Okay. Done. We'll start. Good evening, everybody. As we are discussing the series of sessions regarding the TCS numerical ability and reasoning ability, both are comes under the cognitive skills of TCS NQT. Now, today I am going to discuss some of the numerical ability questions. As we all know, this is the session 4. If you are new to the class, kindly watch the remaining 3 sessions. It will be a good sessions, and it will be helpful to you people to understand how we can crack the aptitude questions in TCS. Now, without any delay, let's dive. First question. First question. How many arrangements will start and end with the vowel for together? there is a word called together, and how many arrangements can be made with the help of the letters in the together, so that the starting and ending letter should be a vowel. Okay, there are 8 letters in the word together. Now, and coming to the vowels, there are 3 vowels: O, E, E. There are 3 vowels. For example, if the first letter is O and the last letter will be E, or if the first letter will be E, last letter will be O, or the first letter is E, last letter will be E. So there are 3 combinations. I hope it's clear. There are 3 combinations. First letter and last letter should be vowel. The 3 combinations can be made here. Okay. With these 3 combinations into actually, if you have a look, there are total if you take these 3 vowels as one set and remaining consonants are T, G, T, H, R. So these are the 5 consonants and 3 vowels are one set. Total is 6 set. So 6 factorial by 2 factorial. 2 factorial. 6 factorial by 2 factorial. Why we have taken 2 factorial? Because here he is repeated for twice. He is repeated for twice. That's why we have taken 2 factorial. That is 3 into 6 factorial is 720. 720 by 2, which is 360. 360s, which is 1080. 1080 is the answer. Option B, which is option B. I hope it's clear. I hope it's clear. Is it clear, everyone? Kindly reply. Is it okay? I hope it's clear. Come on, the active persons who are there in the class, kindly reply. Your replies will help me to understand whether you are getting the concept or not. Next, coming to the second question. Second question. In 4 years, Raj father's age is twice the Raj. That is, 4 years after, the ratio of Raj's father and Raj is 2:1. That is what he given. 2 years ago, 2 years back, the ratio of Raj's mother and Raj is twice. That is 2 years back, Raj's mother ratio and the Raj is 2:1. Is 2:1. Okay. I hope it's clear. It's 2:1. Now have a look. If Raj is 32 years old in 8 years from now, that is 8 years after his age is 32, that is present age of Raj, present age of Raj is 32 minus 8, which is 24. Which is 24. After 4 years, after 4 years, his age is 28. Now, have a look. Have a look. See, Raj is 28. That is 1 into 28. Then Raj's father is 2. 2 into 28, it 56. After 4 years, Raj's father age is 56. I hope it's clear. That is present. Present Raj's father age is 56 minus 4, it is 52. Father age is 52. Only one option present here. So 52 and 46 is the answer. Only 152 present. So 52 is the answer. Option D. Yeah, Apsana, you are right. It is D. Option D. Or check with the regular method ones. See, present age of Raj is 24. That is 2 years before his age is 22. That is 2 into 22. 22 years. That is, see, 2 into 22, 44 years. That is 2 years before her mother age is 44. Now present we need. Present is plus 2, which is 46. We can do the method or we can guess the option. I hope it's clear. Is it clear, everybody? Kindly reply who are there in the class. I will move to the next question. Come on, be fast. Active people who are there in the class, kindly reply. Next one. Next person. Have a look of next question. A call center agent has a list of 305 phone numbers of people in alphabetical order of names, but she doesn't have any of the names. No, names అసలు లేవు బట్ alphabetical order లో ఇచ్చారు. She need to quickly contact Deepak Sharma to convey a message to him. He has to call a person called Deepak Sharma to convey message to him. If each call takes 2 minutes to complete and every call is answered, what is the minimum amount of time in which she is guaranteed to deliver the message to Mr. Sharma? That is what the question he asked. Now, have a look. Have a look. Every minute, that is 305 by 2, which is because each call is taken for 2 minutes, right? 305 by 2, it is 152 approximately. 152 by 2, it is 76. 76 by 2, which is 38. 38 by 2, which is 19. 19 by 2, which is 9. Approximately 9. Okay. 9 by 2, which is 4. 4 by 2, which is 2. 2 by 2, 1. 1. I am doing the successive division. Totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 stages it is taking. So 9 into each call is waited for, talked for 2 minutes. So 9 twos are 18 minutes. So answer is option A, which is 18 minutes. 18 minutes. Is this clear, everybody? I am doing the successive division. As we all know, the successive division is nothing but whatever the coefficient we got, that coefficient should be divided by the given 2. Is this clear, everybody? Kindly reply. I will go with the next question. Be fast. Be fast, everyone. Kindly reply. Okay. Next one. In how many ways a team of 11 must be selected from 5 men and 11 women such that the team must comprise of not more than 3 men. This is what the condition is given. The team should consist of 11 members, but only 3 men should present. Now, have a look. How we can take? See, 11 women plus 0 men. This is one case. Or we can take 10 women plus 1 man, or we can take 9 women plus 2 men, or we can take 8 women plus 3 men. Not more than 3 men, right? That is what the condition given. So we have to stop at 3 men. Now, 11 women can be selected out of 11. 11C11 into 5C0. R means plus. That is, I'll write below 1 minute. I'll write below. Have a look. That is 11C11 into 5C0 plus 11C10. We have to select 10 people out of 11 into 5C1. We have to select 1 member out of 5. Next, 11C9 into 5C2 plus 11C8 into 5C3. This is what the method we have to select. Now, if you solve it, you will get 2 to 5, 6 ways. 2 to 5, 6 ways. Okay, that is what the answer. 2 to 5, 6. Option D. Option D. Sir, this term is 1 plus, if you consider this term, so this term is, actually have a look, NCR is equal to NCN minus R we can write. NCR is equal to NCN minus R, which is 11C10 is equal to 11C11 minus 10, that is 11C1, which is 11 into 5C1 is 5 plus 11C9, which is equal to 11C2 11 into 10 by 2 into 1 into 5C2 means 10. 5C2 means 10, which can be written as 5 into 4 by 2 into 1. So it will goes for 2 times 10. Now, have a look. 11C8, which can be written as 11 into 10 into 9 by 3 into 2 into 1 into 5C2 is equal to 5C3, which is equal to 10. So this is also 10. 3 3s are 2s are. Okay. Now 2s are. If you do all the calculations, you will get 2256. I hope it's clear. Is it clear, everybody? Kindly reply. I'll go with the next one. Next one. Next one. Have a look of it. Given that 0 less than, A less than, B less than, C less than, D, which of the following is the largest? See, apart from these, all the things, D is greater, followed by C, followed by B, followed by A. Now, the term C plus D is greater. C plus D is greater and A plus B is lesser. So definitely you will get the answer in 1 points or 2 points like that. So option A is the answer. Option A is the answer. If you consider B, D and A, C, definitely this value is less than the A. So option A is the answer. Straight away we can say that. Is this clear? Is this clear, everybody? Come on, kindly reply. We'll go with the next one. Next one. Next one. Isha bought 18 sharpeners for rupees 100. She paid 1 rupee more for the white sharpener than for each brown sharpener. What is the price of the white sharpener and how many white sharpeners did she buy? That is what the question. That is what the question. Now have a look. Check with the options. Option verification, will go with that. Because if you want to take a equation model, it will take like, we have to take, see, white sharpeners plus brown sharpeners is equal to 18. 18. Next, X white sharpeners plus, X plus 1 white sharpeners and X brown sharpeners is equal to 100. If you solve it, you will get the answer. But I am least interested in this. I am very much least interested in this. Have a look of option verification. Check with option A. That is, the price of the white sharpener he asked. And how many white sharpeners? Buy. So the price of the white sharpener is 5. 5 into 10, which is 50. 50. Now, there out of 100, 50 rupees went for white sharpeners and remaining 50 rupees for brown. So, 50 by 4, which is not a decimal value. So, option A eliminated, which doesn't give us 18. Option A eliminated. Eliminated. Check with the option B. It is also eliminated because Option A is 5, 10. It is eliminated. And 6 and 8 are far less than, 8 is less than 10. So it should be eliminated. Now check with the option C. So 6 into 10 sharpeners, which is 60. Which is 60. That is 10 sharpeners are white. 10 sharpeners are white. And remaining there are 40. 40 by each sharpener. See, it is 6 rupees, but 1 rupee less than, right? So it should be 5. So 8 sharpeners will get. So 8 plus 10, 18 sharpeners. The count is verified. So option C is the right answer. So option C is the right answer. Is this clear? Kindly reply fast if you have any doubt. Venki, definitely I'll repeat the question whatever you asked after the completion of session. Is this clear, everybody? Is this clear? Just I'll check with the options, that's it. Now, have a look of next one. The sum of digits of a 3-digit number is 17. Have a look. Let the 3-digit number is ABC. ABC. Okay. The sum of digits of the 3-digit number is 17, which is A plus B plus C. It is 17. And the sum of squares of digits is 109. A square plus B square plus C square gives us 109. If you subtract 495 from the number, it is reverse of the given number. That is what the taken. Find the number. See, we have to solve this. I am least interested in this. Have a look. Go with the options. Check with the options. The sum of 3 digits might be 17, right? Okay. 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 3. The sum is 17. Now, this sum also 17. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 9. It is not 17. Eliminated. 1 minute. 8 plus 9. It is 17. So, it is also present. 17. Now, 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 3, 17. So, if you check with the sums, all are 17. But check with the next one. What is that? The sum of their squares should be equal to 109. That is, 9 square is 81, 4 square 16, 16. If you add these all, it is not 109. So, option C eliminated. Next, if you check with this, 7 square 49, 49 and this is 9. 9 3 is 27. So, this is also eliminated. Option D also eliminated. Okay, option D also eliminated. The answer lies between A and B. See, what he told, if you subtract 495 from the given option, it should be the reverse of that option. Definitely. See, 13 minus 5, which is, see, if you take a borrow, it will become 13. 13 minus 5, 8. The last digit is 8, but the starting digit is not 8. So, option eliminated. Option eliminated. Now, 863 minus 495. Check with this. 13 minus 5, it is 8. Yeah, first number is 8. Okay. Now, Now, it is 15, right? 15 minus 9. 15 minus 9. It is 6. Next. Last one. Last one. That is 7. 7 minus 4. It is 3. 368. 863 ke reverse. The reverse number of 863 is 368. Option B is true. Venki, it's right. And Vaisali, it's right. Option B. I hope it's clear. Is this clear, everybody? Is this clear, everyone? Try to understand the concept. Definitely, these questions are very easy for us to solve. Is this clear? Next one. Raz goes to a market to buy oranges. If he can bargain and reduce the price of the orange by 2 rupees, he can buy 30 oranges instead of 20 oranges. With the money, how much money does he have? క్వశ్చన్ అర్థం చేసుకున్నాను. క్వశ్చన్ ఏం చెప్పాడు? ఆయన గనక ఒక ఆరెంజ్ మీద 2 రూపాయలు బేరం ఆడగలిగితే, 2 రూపాయలు తగ్గించగలిగితే ఆయనకి 20 ఆరెంజెస్ వచ్చేవి, 30 ఆరెంజెస్ వచ్చాయట. దట్ ఈస్ let us think. He has x rupees. X by 20 minus x by 30 gives us the difference of 2. Am I right? X by 30, x by 20 minus x by 30 gives us 2 rupees. Check with the option. Substitute option A. 50 by 20, you will get the mixed fraction. If you check with the option A, 50 by 20 minus 50 by 30, definitely you will get the mixed fractions. I mean, here we will get the fractions. The option is not equal to 2. Check with the option B. 150 by 20. This gives us the decimal values. Okay. So, it is not equal to 2. Directly we can guess. Check with the option C. 120 by 20 minus 120 by 30. If you go with 6, it will goes for 4. 6 minus 4, it will gives you 2. Option C is the answer. Right money. It is option C. 120 rupees. I hope it's clear. If it is clear, kindly reply. I'll go with the next person. Be fast, kindly reply. Be fast. Next one. Just by option substitutions we are doing. I am not at all interested to solve these questions with the traditional methods. Okay. Next one. How an option plays a vital role tells you these. Have a look. A city in the US has a basketball league with 3 basketball teams. A, B, C. Forget about their names. Take the 3 teams are A, B, C. A sports writer notices that the tallest player of A is shorter than the shortest player of B. Okay. The tallest player of A is less than the shortest person in the B. The shortest person in the C is shorter than the shortest person in the A. While the tallest of the B is the shorter than the tallest of C. The tallest of the B is taller than the tallest of A, which of the following can get judged with a certainty? He asked approximately. Approximately. How we can say? How we can say? Have a look. Paul, a brave, is taller than David. See, from the first option, from the statement X, Paul is greater than A. And from the second option, David, David from C is shorter than Edward from A. Actually, if you summate these two, there is no relation. So either X nor Y is the answer. Okay, we can't. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Have a look of it. Have a look of it. See, that is what you know. See, the Paul, a brave, is taller than the David from A. P is greater than A. What he told? See, in the first one, he told like, see, the tallest player from A is shorter than the shortest player of B. That is what he told. That is, the person from B is taller than the person from A. That is what he states from the first conclusion, first statement. So only B is true. The condition satisfies here. So only B is true. Sorry for that. Only B is true. I hope it's clear. Kindly reply, is it clear? Next one. Next one. Somewhat tricky question. A, B, B, C, 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 D, 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 E, E, E. So on, what is the 120th letter? That is what he is asking. Have a look. If you consider this is 1, B is repeated for twice, and C is repeated for thrice, D is repeated for quad, and E is repeated for fives. So 5 times. 5 times. That is, here the series is increasing. That is, we know that the sum of n natural numbers, n into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 120. 120th letter he is asking. So 120. 120. Now check with the options. ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేయగలను దీన్ని? Have a look. I mean less than or equal to 120. Now have a look. For, let us think, that is, if the n is 15, 15 into 16 by 2, 15 8s are, it is 120. So n is equal to 15 we can take, which is the 15th letter is O. The 120th letter is 15. 120th letter is O. O. I hope it's clear. Is it clear, everybody? Is it clear? N is equal to 15. Lahari, your doubt? Definitely I'll explain. Okay. I hope it's clear. Next one. 11th one. There are 120 males and 100 females in society. Yeah, Lahari. Definitely I'll explain. Have a look of it. Sriram, have a look of it. Actually, if you consider this, A repeated for once, B repeated for twice, C repeated for thrice, D 4 times, E 5 times. It is repeated. It is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The series is increasing. The sum of natural numbers n into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 120. If you consider n is equal to 15, 15 into 15 plus 1, 16 by 2, that is 2 8s. It will give us 120. So n equal to 120, 120 is satisfied. That is, for the value of n is equal to 15, we got a value of 120. Here n is equal to 15, which is O in the English alphabet. So option B is the answer. Is this clear, Sriram? Next question. There are 120 males and 100 females in society. Out of 25% males and 20% females are from rural. Have a look. If you consider rural background, 25% of 120, which is 25% means 1 by 4. 1 by 4 of 120, which is 30. Now, these are males. If you consider females, 20 percentage of 100. 20 is 1 by 5. 1 by 5 of 100, which is 20. Now, so total there are 50 male and females from rural. Now, have a look. If you consider from next one, 20% of male and 25% of females passed in the examination. 20% of male and 25% of female passed in the exam. That is, see, out of this 30, 20% of 30 passed the exam. Percentage 2 zeros. 6 passed the exam. 6 males passed the exam. And 25% of 20, which is 4. 25 means 1 by 4. 1 by 4 of 20. So 5 people, 5 female passed the exam. In total, the passed students is 11. The percentage is 11 by 50 into 100, which is 22%. 22%. Is this clear? Rural background నుంచి 120లో 25% రూరల్, మేల్స్ అంటే 30 వచ్చింది. తర్వాత 100 females, so 20% are from rural, that is 20. So total 50 members participated in the exam from the rural background. Out of this 30 male, 20% passed, which is equal to 6. Out of 20, 25% of the female passed. 25 percentage of 20, which is 5. Total 6 plus 5 gives us 11. 6 plus 5 gives us 11. Total 11 people out of 50 passed the exam, which is 22%. I hope it's clear. Next one. Kindly reply, guys. Next one. Next one. This is the decision making question. This is the star marked question from TCS. Have a look. On a fabled island of nights and caves, we meet 3 people, A, B, C. One of whom is knight, one is cave, and one is spy. There are 3 people. One is from knight, one is from knave, and one is from spy. The knight always tell the truth. The knave always lies. And the spy can lie or tell the truth. Okay, this is what the condition. Now have a look. A says she is knife. A says that she is knife. Okay. ఏ అనేవాడు ఖచ్చితంగా ట్రూ చెప్తాడు కాబట్టి సి ఈస్ నైఫ్. సి వాల్యూ ఖచ్చితంగా నైవ్ అవ్వాలి. నేవ్. ఇఫ్ యూ కన్సిడర్ ఓన్లీ 2 ఆప్షన్స్ సపోర్ట్స్ దట్ సి ఈస్ నేవ్. రిమైనింగ్ 2 ఆర్ ఎలిమినేటెడ్. Remaining 2 are eliminated. Now, have a look. B says A is knight. B says that A is knight. Okay. C says that I am a spy. C says that I am a spy. Who is the knight? Who is the knave? And who is the spy? That is what the answer. That is what the question given. Then have a look. B says A is knife and C says I am spy. Which one is right? Which one is right? Tell me. From these 3, which one is right? Let us think and see. సో ఒకటి గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఏ అనేవాడు ట్రూ చెప్పాడు కాబట్టి, ఏ అనేవాడు ఎప్పుడు ట్రూ చెప్తాడు కాబట్టి సి ఈజ్ నైఫ్. సి అనేవాడు నైవ్. ఓకే. సి అనేవాడు ఇక్కడ ఏం చెప్పాడు? ఐ ఆమ్ ఏ స్పై. అంటే సి అనేవాడు అబద్ధం చెప్పాడనే కదా. బికాస్ సి ఈజ్ ఎ నైఫ్. నేను స్పై అని ఎలా చెప్తాడు? చెప్పలేడు కదా. దట్ ఈజ్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్. సో సి చెప్పింది తప్పు. సి చెప్పింది తప్పు అంటే బి చెప్పింది ఖచ్చితంగా రైట్ అయి ఉండాలి. బి చెప్పింది ఖచ్చితంగా రైట్ అయి ఉండాలి. ద ఓన్లీ ఆప్షన్ సెట్స్ ఈజ్ ఆప్షన్ డి. ఏ ఈజ్ రైట్, బి ఈజ్ స్పై, సి ఈజ్ నేవ్. Vaishali and Apsana, I hope you got confused. Have a look of it. He clearly said that she says that I am a spy. But A told that A always tell the truth. A told that she is a knife. C knife అని చెప్పాడు. సి నైవ్ అన్నాడు. సి నేను స్పై అని చెప్పుకున్నాడు. అంటే సి చెప్పింది తప్పు. సి చెప్పింది తప్పు అంటే బి చెప్పింది ఖచ్చితంగా రైట్ అవ్వాలి. సో బి ఏం చెప్పాడు? ఏ ఇస్ రైట్ అని చెప్పాడు. ఇక మిగిలిపోయింది ఎవరు? బి. బి ఖచ్చితంగా స్పై అవ్వాలి. ఐ హోప్ ఇట్స్ క్లియర్. Is this clear or may I explain it again? Kindly reply. Be fast. We'll go with the next one. Be fast, be fast. Next one. The average temperature of Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is 37 and average temperature of Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is 38. I hope this question was discussed in our sheet, regular sheet also. This question is very important. Have a look. The average temperature of Tuesday plus Wednesday plus Thursday is 37. If you calculate the sum, 37 into 3, you will get the answer. 37 into 3, you will get triple one. Next, sum of Thursday, sum of Wednesday plus Thursday plus Friday is nothing but 38 into 3. 38 into 3, which is 114. 114, which is 114. Now, try to find out. You will get the answer of 36. See, Tuesday, have a look, I will write in clear. Tuesday plus Wednesday plus Thursday is equal to 37 into 3, which is triple one. Next, Wednesday plus Thursday plus Friday is equal to 38 into 3, which is 114. If you subtract these 3, Wednesday, Tuesday gets cancelled. Friday minus Thursday is equal to 3. Friday minus Thursday is equal to 3. Now, the Friday temperature is 39. 39 minus Thursday is equal to 3. If you shift it, 3 is equal to 36 degrees. So, option C is the answer. Next one. I hope it's clear. Next one. Next question. See, 14th one. In a certain city, 60% of the registered voters are Congress supporters and rest are 8 BJP supporters. Have a look of it. He told that there are two parties, Congress and BJP. Congress supporters are 60%. That means BJP supporters are 40%. 40%. Now, in an assembly election, 75% of the registered Congress supporters and 20% of the registered BJP supporters are expected to vote for the candidate A. What percent of the registered voters are expected to vote for candidate A? That is what he is asking. Have a look. That is, see, 75% of Congress voters 75% of 60 and 20% of BJP voted for Congress. That is 75% of the 60 is nothing but 75%, 3 by 4 into 60, that is 4 15s, which is 45. 20%, 2 by 10 into 40, which is 4, which is 8. Total 48 plus 8, 45 plus 8, 53%. So answer is 53. Answer is 53. Answer is 53. I hope it's clear. I hope it's clear. Is it clear, everybody? Sriram, have a look of it. Have a look of the previous question, Sriram. That is, see, actually, if you subtract, this is the highest value and this is the least value. That's why I have taken like Friday minus Thursday directly. Friday minus Thursday directly. Or if you want to take Thursday minus Friday, we have to take minus 3 here. Minus 3. If you take minus 3. So, Thursday minus 39 is equal to minus 3. Thursday is equal to 39 minus 3, which is 36. We can do like that also. I hope it's clear, Sriram. Is this clear, everybody? Kindly reply. Thank you, everybody, for attending the session. Definitely stay tuned to this channel. I'll give the maximum number of questions what are possible to me to discuss. Definitely, this session will be the fruitful to you people, no doubt about it. Trust me, practice well. You'll definitely crack the examination, no doubt about it. All the very best for your preparation. If you like this video, share with your friends. Definitely, it will help them for their preparation. And try to subscribe the channel Hypertricks and press the bell icon for more updates. Lahari, this is for your sake. Lahari, have a look. Definitely, Sriram. 1 minute. Have a look of it, man. A city in a US has a basketball league with 3 basketball teams. A, B, C. Okay. There are 3 basketball teams named A, B, C. A sport writer noticed that the tallest player of A is shorter than the shortest player of B. That means from this statement we clearly know that the persons in the B are greater than A. The person in the B team is greater than A. Okay, is greater than A. Now, the shortest of C is shorter than the shortest of A. That is C less than A. C less than A. That is what he given. Okay. And while the tallest of B is shorter than the tallest of C. Okay. That is what he given. That is B less than C. That is what he given. Have a look of it. From the first conclusion, P, a brave, is taller than David from A. That is, clearly says that P greater than D. That is, Paul from brave is greater than David from A. So B greater than A. The first condition is told like B greater than A. From this is right. This is right. B greater than A. That is right. Now, David A C is shorter than Edward Yan A. If you consider this, David from C is less than E from A. Actually, the C is less than A, but B is greater than C. B greater than A. There is a confusion between the C statement here. Okay, that's why this is not derived positively. Okay, so only option A is right. So B, X only is right. I hope it's clear. I hope it's clear. Okay. And Venki, are you there in the class?